besties, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all having a wonderful, amazing day today. So today we're going to do a Temu haul. So let's get right into that. So for today's code, I'm going to give you my code for $0 gifts. So you can get $0 gifts on Temu. You're going to go on the Temu app, go into the search bar, type in ALE363813. I'll make sure I put that on the screen for some $0 gifts on Temu. So make sure to go and search that on the app. Also, I will make sure to link everything down below in the description box. Also in a pinned comment. So if you see anything in this haul that you might like, go down there and see if you can find the link. Okay, and if I don't leave a link, either it's unavailable or just ask me. All right, guys, let's get right into this. Okay, so elephant in the room, I'm wearing this wig that I did a Temu wig swap with MJ and Cheryl, and Cheryl got me this wig, and I thought it was just really cute, so I thought, heck, that I'll just wear it for today's video. It's really cute, and you guys, you know, some people say, Jen, get out of your comfort zone and wear something different. So here we are. All right, let's get right into this. So you guys, every once in a while, I'll play the Temu calendar game. If you go on Temu, you type in QQ in the search bar, it brings up the Temu calendar, gift calendar. You select a bunch of gifts. You have to pay to play though, like, you know, you have to log in there every day. Sometimes to get certain things, you have to spend so much money. So just so you know, if you get on there, it might be that kind of situation. Now, my grand prize gift I already have here, which I'll probably show you in the next haul. But this was also one of the free gifts. I think I had 8 free gifts this last time around. And there's some cat hair on there for extra fun. There's always cat hair around. Always. Okay, so it's a little Versace perfume. Now, this came shipped from I don't know where. But it's just a little Versace perfume. I picked that as one of my free gifts, in the shade Bright Crystal. It's 0.17 fluid ounces. I have no idea what this is worth, but it's a teeny tiny. This is like one of the, gift with purchase types of things, or a sample sized, but look how cute the bottle is. So yeah, it's Versace perfume and Bright Crystal. Let's try it. Ooh, it doesn't have a sprayer. It does not have a sprayer, and that came right out there. Okay, let me put that back together. Let's do this. It smells like Bright Crystal, so I think it's real. I think it's real. So it smells really good. And the box looks pretty, you know, I mean, not significant, but it looks pretty real. There's like the code on the back. There's that on the back. I mean, it looks real, so yeah. So that was one of my free gifts from Temu calendar that I chose. Okay, next item, you guys, you know how many lights I buy. I buy all the lights, okay? I buy all the lights. All the lighting. I want all the lighting. So I'll put the price up on the screen for these. It's 2 gigantic huge candles. We love a gigantic huge candle. So let's see what these are like. This is how this is how they showed up in my doorstep. My address label's on here, so hopefully they're not broke. Hopefully, you know, whatever. Now, it comes with a remote control, which I love, because I was planning on putting these outside, and that way, like at night, I can just go out there and like hit the on. Or you can actually put like 2 hours, 4 hours, 6 hours, 8 hours, or whatever. So I probably don't have any batteries down here. Of course I don't. But look how huge these are. Look how big these are. They're huge. Okay? You unscrew the bottom, because I've had these before, I think. How do I get this off? Hold on. Oh, there's where the batteries go. So it's 3 AA. Yeah, that's right, AA. Maybe this just gets pulled off. I think you just pull it. You don't really twist it. But anyways, I like the color, because they're not white, but they're like this color. And then this flame part really looks like a flame when it flickers. So, yeah, these are going to be part of my outdoor decor for fall. But I love that they have the remote control. I love that. So, yeah, I just got to push this little bitty back in. But I love how they look real, too. Like, that's the tops of them. They look like they're real. They look like real candles. huge. But I thought, oh, these would be so pretty in the fall, like outside on the deck. So we will be doing, I'm sure we will be doing a deck decor type of thing. So those would definitely be going out there. See what's in this box. Or bag, or box, or bag, or whatever. So look at this little crunched up number here. This was $15.10. I think it's another one of those lanterns. Speaking of outside things, yeah. Guys, I hauled one of these, I think before. I think it's over there somewhere. $15.10. I don't know if this is worth like 15 bucks, okay? But I hope it's not smooshed. No, it's rusty, crusty, and dusty. In fact, I think I'm going to put these outside today. Just so they're, well, maybe, I don't know. But it's a little lantern, and by the way, these candles are not going to fit in there. No, I'm just kidding. I have some other solar candles that are going to go in these, but I just like the looks of it. You can hang these, but that's what it looks like. It is metal, but they are $15.10. So next up, you guys, if you didn't know, I got back into Pink Zebra, which Pink Zebra is like a home fragrance thing. They sell like little sprinkles that are kind of like the wax cubes, but they're in like a little dot forms, and they're non-toxic to animals and humans, so that's why I like them. But I bought these little baggies for $1.96 so I could send samples to people, and you get 20 pieces, and they're like little brown craft bags that have like the window in the front, but they're also smell proof, so they're like lined really well, but it's just enough for like a little sample of the wax melts. So you know, that's what I got those for, to send samples out. So for $1.96, you get 20. And that's what I'll be using those for. Okay, next up, I got another one of these. I'm kind of glad this came back up because I had one of these in my last haul, and you guys gave me some really, really good ideas for these. It's the can koozie type of thing. This one was $6.26. Good grief. Good grief. $6.26. It's got a handle on it. But I was mentioning that I hate the bottom of these because they never want to sit. So a lot of you had some really good ideas. A couple of really good ideas was put a mason jar lid in the bottom to make it stable. Or, you know, those round like ceramic car coasters, put those in the bottom of these. So, you know, if anything kind of like flat that will make that's got a little bit of weight to it even maybe, that'll make this sit. Because if I put my plastic cup in here, it never wants to like sit on a surface, you know, it just like wants to fall over. So, but I really like the print, and it's $6.26, has the little handle, it's neoprene, that's the word I was looking for last time I showed these. But yeah, so I'm thinking I might put a car coaster in here, because I think I have several car coasters. So that was $6.26, so thank you guys for those ideas. They're great ideas. Okay, so I was watching, you guys, I was watching Carol Sue's Southern Designs the other day, and she bought a die cutting machine that you crank. Well, I bought one too. Now, I haven't used it yet. I got it from Temu, and I got a good deal on it, but I've been buying like metal dies and embossing folders and stuff like that. She had me laughing so hard when she did that video. You guys, you got to go check it out. I'll link her channel below, but it's Carol Sue's Southern Designs. But I bought a couple of embossing folders to try too. So this one is $3.99. It's a smaller one. My embossing machine, or my cutting machine, is way smaller than the one that Carol Sue got. In fact, I think mine is like, I don't know. I got the bigger one. It does bigger than 5 inches. I think it might be 6 inches across or 8. I'm not sure. Hers was a lot bigger. So this embossing folder, you see, you'll put your cardstock in here, and you send this through the machine, and it embosses this print on it. So that's the print, if you can even see it. It's very hard to see on these folders. So that one was $3.99. And then I got this one that's just kind of like a script, like a writing. And this one was $3.25. Again, not sure if you can see it, but it's just some like wording, script to emboss on things. So I thought that would be like really pretty embossed on something. I don't even know if you guys can really see it, but if you want like metal dies or embossing folders, Temu has some great options on there. So highly recommend them. All right, so then I bought more of these bags. I kind of wanted a pink one. You know me, I gotta have pink everything. So I bought some pink bags for my Pink Zebra. These were $1.21, and you get 20 pieces. So $1.21, 20 pieces. They're like holographic. One side is silver, one side is pink, and they're smell proof. And then I just like I said, I just like to put the sample down in here and you can see through it. So those are really nice. I like those. That's what I'll use those for. So yeah, that's what we're using those for. All right. These were $1.93. Now, this is a set of nails. I haven't worn nails in a while, you guys. I've been painting my nails because they've just been going through it, and they're just going through it, okay? So these are kind of Halloween-y, but they looked, I will tell you, I might put these in a giveaway, but they looked way cuter on the website, on the Temu website, than they do here. Story of our lives. They were $1.93, but I do have a couple giveaways coming up, so I think I'm going to put them in a giveaway. I got them in a medium. They are almond-shaped. Let me see if I can even hold them so you can see them. So that's what they look like. Some of them have like little pumpkins. They have little pink ghosts and stripes and all kinds of things, but very pink themed, okay? I just thought they were like super cute. Like the ghost has a little bow in her hair. You can barely see them on here. Barely. But like they looked so much better on the Temu site. So I don't know. But anyways, I'm going to put them back in here because I think I'm going to put them in a giveaway. And they come with the glue tabs. So you'll get the glue tabs. And then they also come with the file, like normal. So, but yeah, I'm going to set these to the side and they'll probably go in a giveaway. Okay, next up. Alright, these are for metal dies. And I think I might have a couple of these, but it's like a little container that's got a magnetic sheet, and you put your metal dies on it for your cutting machines. So, this is the booklet that comes with it. Did I say how much this was? No. $7.58, so not really cheap by any means. So you get this. Oh, they're like different sleeves. These are all different sleeves. But I'm going to find a way to put these into a book or something, okay? And then you get these magnetic sheets, which go in here. And then when you get metal dies for your cutting machines, you can just, you know, stick them in here. And that way, you know, that you'll be able to see them and know what you have and that kind of thing. What I have to figure out is what am I going to put these into? You know what I mean? So, yeah. All right, let me see here. So you get these magnetic sheets, and they are thick. There we go. This is, now they're not so thick. But you put this down into here, like so, and then you'll stick your metal dies to it, okay? And so you get one, let's see, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 9? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Sorry, 10. You get 10 of them, so you're going to get 10 magnets, 10 sheets, and then you can put, but I'm thinking I might get some type of folder system to like stick all these down into, because they're going to become a little bit heavy with all this magnet, you know what I mean? So I gotta pay attention to that. Or I might just get like a plastic bin to put them all down into. I think that would probably be a better idea. All right, this was $6.08. It says something Jewelry Co., so it must be jewelry. A boot charm. You guys, I have 2 pairs of Sam Edelman boots. I bought off of Goodwill, okay? And I love them. One's black, one's like a black leather pair, and one's like a brown kind of, like suede. And I wanted to put these on the back, because on the back of the boots, they have that loop. These are cool. All right. These are, I'm going to be cool in this, okay? This is cool. I got to put it together, though. Do it yourself, okay? So $6.08 for these. You put these loops on, and then these little crosses hang down off the back. How cool is that, okay? Or you could use these for keychains. But these hang off the back of your boots. So I thought those were pretty awesome. $6.08 for these. So whenever I put them on my boots, you guys, I will show you. But yeah, this just goes through that loop on the back of your boot, and then this just hangs down. So I thought they were kind of cool. I thought they were cool. What do you guys think? I don't know. $6.08 though. But they are like heavy. They've got a little bit of weight to them. It's not like it's super cheap or anything. So I do like these. So cool. I'm going to go put those on my boots when I get upstairs. It's not quite boot season yet. We are getting there. Okay, I got this piece of jewelry, and you guys, I do have some jewelry hauls coming because I wanted to buy some more expensive, like a tier up on Temu from my normal jewelry I buy. So I was looking at the stainless steel stuff, which seems to be more expensive. So this is a bracelet. It is stainless steel. It was $687, okay? And then this is what it looks like. It's got some like clovery, what do I want to say, cubic zirconia on it or something, but it's really pretty. It's really, really pretty. So, you know, I just kind of wanted to check out their stainless steel stuff because it is more expensive. Like this was $7. This is a $7 Temu bracelet, okay? But it's really pretty. It's really, really pretty. So, you know, it shouldn't tarnish or none of that. So, and it looks like it fits up to like an 8 or 8.5. So, but I love it. I think it's really pretty. And it's got these really pretty, like, cubic zirconia on it, you know, just, I really like that. So $7, I think that's well worth $7 if it's not going to tarnish or anything like that. Okay, so I got another set of nails. This one was $1.50. Look at these colors, pink, black, and white. Like if there could be another pair of nails that have my name all over it, this would be it. Okay, this would be it. Now, I probably won't wear nails for a little while, but these are so stinking cute. I hope you can see them in this package. So black and white polka dot, you got some pink, white, and black stripes, and then you just have like a regular light pink nail. So cute. I love those. $1.50 for those. Well worth $1.50. You can't beat a manicure for $1.50. And you get the glue tabs as always, which I never use. You get an orange stick and you get a nail file. So $1.50. I like those. Those are cute. Okay, let's see here. What is in this? $5.06. I think this is a craft item. Yep, I was right. $5.06. This is one of those corner rounders. I thought that was a pretty good price because I've been looking online at like the punches and things like that. Like that crocodile and all the punches and all. They're expensive. Like they can get up to like 20, 30 bucks. So this one was only $5.06 and it's a corner rounder. So you can cut a small corner. Now it looks like there's 3 different sizes on here. So I don't know. Is there? See how it says it says R10, R4, R7. So it must be like 3 different sizes. Let me see if I can take the bottom off because it captures all of the crap in the bottom here. There we go. Yeah, they're different sizes. You can get 3 different sizes on there. So that's good. 1 punch, 3 different sizes. Heck yeah. So let me see. Do I have a piece of paper? I have one. Let's just check it out here. I have this. I have a paper pad. That'll work. Let's try it out. So you just stick your paper in here. I probably should do it towards you, right? You stick your paper in like that and you punch. See how it rounds the corners? So let's do this one, and there's that one. Oops, I didn't do that very well. Sorry, it's hard to do when I'm the other way. There's that one. And then let's do this one down here. It's hard to do when I'm not looking. So there's that one. So see how it just like rounds the corners? This one is bigger, this one's not as big, and that one's actually kind of tiny. So yeah, you get 3 different sizes. I like that. For $5, heck yeah. And if you do any kind of like tags or anything like that, you know, or your junk journaling, you definitely need one of these because you're like all the time like cutting stuff, and yeah, I ain't gonna do that because that's not very good paper. But I like that it rounds the corners. I love that. So cool. And it's 3 different sizes, and it was only $5. So that's a good deal, you guys. And it's all plastic though. So, I mean, except for the metal cutting part. So we'll see how long it lasts. But yeah, I like that. $5 for that. Okay, you guys, that was my little Temu haul for today. Don't forget to use my code for some $0 gifts. It's ALE363813. I'll make sure I put that on the screen for you guys. Yeah, shop to your content. Shop like a billionaire over there. Shop, 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 okay? So, all right, I will make sure to link everything down below in case you guys want any of this stuff. So use my links, and yeah, I will see you in the next one. I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Bye!